Ever wondered how different software applications communicate with each other? It's like people conversing in different languages. They need a translator to understand each other. Imagine you're at a bustling international airport, a cacophony of tongues filling the air, but everyone can communicate effectively, thanks to translators. In the digital realm, these translators are called application programming interfaces, or APIs. They enable different software to interact seamlessly, much like our translators at the airport. So, in the world of software, APIs play the vital role of these translators. But what exactly is an API, you may ask? Well, API stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of it as a set of rules and protocols for how software applications should interact. Imagine you're in a restaurant and you're looking at the menu. The menu is like the API. It shows you what you can order, the options available, and how to place your order. You, as the customer, are like one software application. You use the menu to decide what to order and communicate your choice to the kitchen. The kitchen in this case is another software application. It receives your order, processes it, and delivers the food, or in our case, the data, back to you. The restaurant wouldn't function without the menu, just like software applications can't communicate without APIs. They're the translators, the intermediaries, the go-betweens. Thus, APIs are like menus that allow software to order what they need from each other. Why are APIs important? Just as building blocks connect to form bigger structures, APIs link different software to create more functional and powerful applications. They're the unsung heroes that make software integration possible, enabling your weather app to pull data from a weather site, or your calendar to sync with your email. They transform isolated applications into an integrated system, enhancing your digital experience. Therefore, APIs are the building blocks that enable the creation of more complex and useful software systems. Don't forget to show your support. Like this video if you're finding it helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you're keen to learn more about the digital world, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest content. We're dedicated to helping you understand the building blocks of the digital world, and your engagement helps us do just that. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of software communication.